how to download Assistive Touch on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any update. So, do you want the assistive feature on your Android device as well? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Play Store and then on the search bar search for Assistive Touch and then hit go, and now you'll find Assistive Touch for Android right here. Just go ahead and tap on install. Now once it installs, open it and you'll be redirected to this page where you need to select the language. So select your preferred language and hit the tick option on the top right corner of the screen. Now toggle on the Assistive Touch feature on your settings, and then that's it. Now just make sure the Assistive Touch is enabled, and you can see it's right here on your screen. You can use it any way you want, just allow permission, and then that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.